Hey friends, today we're talking about the Cadillac CTS. If you drive one of these cars, I'm sure you'll love it. It's a fabulous mid-sized luxury car. If you drive one of these cars and you find that it's starting to stall or hesitate or have a rough idle, you may have a dirty throttle body. So that's a real easy fix. There are three major causes of this concern, the dirty throttle body being one of them. So the simple procedure is to remove the air duct from the throttle body that connects it to the air cleaner, and then with the engine running, spray that throttle body with some throttle body and intake air cleaner. This is a spray can that you can shoot directly into that throttle plate and clean that butterfly valve and that throttle bore while the engine's running. What that'll do is that'll restore the airflow into the engine. So after you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is clean your mass airflow sensor. This is a simple little device that is attached to the air cleaner box with two screws, so it's easy to service. Just remove the screws, pull it out. Once you have it in your hand, you can spray it off with mass airflow sensor cleaner. Now, Gumout is a manufacturer of a very good mass airflow sensor cleaner. I would suggest you get some on Amazon. I put a link down in the description there for you if you'd like to look it over. Spray that off with the mass airflow sensor cleaner, focusing on this little sensing element that's depicted by the green arrow there. When that sensing element gets dirty, the sensor loses sensitivity, and then it makes errors in calculating airflow, and then the computer doesn't deliver enough fuel and causes misfires and running rough and stalling. So once you've done that, the last step is to clean your fuel injectors, and that's the simplest step. Just get some of this Techron fuel injector cleaner made by Chevron. It's an excellent product. They're again available on Amazon. Dump it in the gas tank and then just drive the car. And you drive that tank full of gas, you'll be cleaning your fuel injectors. So simple as that, steps 1, 2, 3. So after you've cleaned your mass airflow sensor and your throttle body and your fuel injectors, you may have generated some trouble codes and turned your check engine light on. That's okay. You can use one of these little pocket scanners to clear your codes and turn off that check engine light. You can get these for less than 40 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to check one out. These are real handy to keep in your glove box, just in case your check engine light ever comes back on. You can whip it out, check your codes. You don't have to go to a repair shop. So let's get your Cadillac CTS running better. These are fantastic cars. I'm sure if you have one, you love it. And with a little TLC, you can keep these things running real nice. And these three things that we just talked about, you can do right there in your own driveway. You don't have to take it to the dealer or your mechanic. You can take care of it yourself, save a bundle of money. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you have a good night. Take care.